to DIY with Aurea and the glue contact. Ready, let's make some magic, Jay.
Who says that Dollar Tree cannot look designer? I'm gonna show you 7 mirror DIYs that elevates your space without breaking the bank. So let's get started. For the first project, I also purchased this pizza pan, and I am going to be giving it actually two entire coats with this light mocha. Did you guys know that the first Dollar Tree opened in 1989 in South Carolina? The people used to love shopping on a budget, and the founders had so much experience running this one toy store called K&K Toys. So they know how to build a business. Over the time, it grew so huge that now they have about 16,000 stores across US and Canada. I'm not sure about you, but I believe that I've been shopping there since the 90s. How about you? Leave it in the comments section. I want to see how far back you can remember about shopping at Dollar Trees. And of course, now it's not $1, it's $1.25. But we are still shopping there because they have stepped their game up and they have beautiful items that we could convert into absolutely gorgeous projects. Dollar Tree also has some glamorous, beautiful stickers. I purchased some, and now after all of this is dry, I also painted the border in black, and I'm going to be placing these beautiful stickers over here in the border where the black is at, and I'm going to do that all over the pan. And of course, the mirror was not glued in, so now with plenty of hot glue, I'm also going to be gluing it right here in the center. This is it for this beautiful project, my dear friends. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. Take a look at these stunning mirrors from Dollar Tree. Aren't they gorgeous? As I was mentioning before, Dollar Tree has really stepped up their game. I was not exaggerating. And I'll be using 4 of these mirror picture frames. I'm going to be creating a flower pot. The first thing that I'll be doing is I'm going to be disassembling all 4 of them. I also have a peel and stick wallpaper. I took the glass part of it and I am tracing 4 different boxes or 4 squares, only because this is the way that I'm going to be cutting them and placing them inside the picture frame. I hope that makes sense. Thank God that you are watching, because I just had a hard time explaining this simple step. So once all of these are cut, then I'm going to go ahead and assemble the picture frames back in place, adding this piece right in here. But I did not peel and stick this time because maybe I want to switch it around in the future, you know. So once everything is put in place, then I'm going to start assembling the box. I'm going to also be using hot glue, wood blocks from Dollar Tree. And guys, don't do what I did here. After I glue this together, I realized that the back section, the leg, I forgot to take it out and it was just not even. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, I learned pretty quick. I just had to disassemble it, take out the back section and all 4 picture frames, and then glue them all back together. So all I'm doing is gluing the picture frames together and then reinforcing them with some wood blocks and Jenga blocks. Did you know that a long time ago people used to shine black rocks called obsidian to see the reflections? And then later on, the Romans made a mirror putting metal into glass. And then in 1835, a scientist named Justus van Liebig made the first modern mirror by putting silver on glass. And those are the mirrors that we're using right now. And then this, I didn't put a bottom because I really didn't feel that it needed. But if you feel that you need it, then go ahead right on. And I also have this one candle holder that was already painted from a different project. And then this little bird, I'm going to glue it right here. And this is it, my dear friends. This project is really simple. I also found this at the Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it apart, and then the white, I'm going to be painting it with black chalk paint. I'll be giving it 3 coats. These decorative pieces, I found them at Dollar General. They had 90% off, so I paid 10 cents. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel and stick because they do have their own adhesive in the back. I'm going to be putting them on all 6 corners, and then I'm going to be displaying it, and this will be it. This was a simple project, yet looks so beautiful. And then as you see, it has some diamonds in there, but I went off camera and I painted the diamonds so everything looks black. And of course, I'm going to be using some peel and stick, and I'm just going to be using 1 piece, and I'm going to be placing it right here. Now this looks classy. And here is the final review, my dear friends. I hope you enjoy it. Look at these beautiful mirrors. These are my favorite by far. I'm just gonna be adding some adhesive glue, and this I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be combining this adhesive with some hot glue, and then once that is done, I'm gonna be clipping them to make sure that they stay together for a little bit. I'm also gonna be coming in with some jingle blocks and some popsicle sticks just to make sure that this is not going to be falling off my wall, because I will be keeping this. Once I was done putting everything together and I took off all the clips and I found out that it was nice and sturdy, I came in with a black and white ribbon and a heart in form of a wreath, and then I just glued it in the middle of this mirror. Let me know what you think in the comments section. I hope you enjoy it. This next project is beautiful, nice and simple and easy to make. So all I did was take this acrylic gold paint, and with my dabbing sponge brush, I'm just, as you see, just making lines, and look at how gorgeous this is turning out. And then once this is done, all I did was place a candle right on top and put it to display. Nice and simple. If you want to go ahead and add legs, you may, but I just wanted to keep it nice and simple. So this is all I created. I hope you enjoy it just as I enjoy it. And if you did like it, don't forget that big thumbs up. That big thumbs up will go a long way. Guys, I'm gonna be using another Dollar Tree mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and take that tag out, and these little knobs, I purchased these at Temu, I believe, maybe Amazon, I don't even remember. It was such a long time ago. But all I'm doing is adding plenty of hot glue and gluing one on each corner. Once that is done, then I'm ready to display this beautiful riser. Before I move on, I also have this candle holder from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be giving it 2 coats with black chalk paint, and then once it's dry, I come in with some hot glue, and I already had created this candle. I'm going to be gluing these 2 together, and this is it, my dear friends.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.